Bullish Nexo. Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.90 and $5.47 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $2.25 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.515145. Nexo presentation. Researchers learn one thing because of the development of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation and their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster a unique digital currency that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a complete value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Nexo, clients might help credits got by digital forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to consistently incorporate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change, thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a productive speculation decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been an unmistakable part of Nexo. The principal advantage shoppers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo, basic investigation. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very defenseless and, as other cryptographic forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from $0.558 to $0.987 during April and May 2018, a critical increment that proposed a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information. Following the organization made its market debut in 2018, notwithstanding, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of $0.5 level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed terrible showing, the Nexo cost showed steadiness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 critical digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token, along with Bitcoin, Ether, Ashia, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Nexo. Specialized examination. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as indicated by all suitable cost forecast information. Nexo is at present worth $0.645000 United States dollars. Nexo has moved 5.31% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $4,526,600. Nexo is at present position 101 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $346,254,234 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo. To conclude, we're either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.967612. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.903105 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.774090. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Nexo cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.61. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.29 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.42. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.26, and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.06 and a low of $1.94 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.90, with a base cost of $2.58 and a typical cost of $2.71. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.35 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.23 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $3.55. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.19, neglecting to accumulate